Hi friends, welcome back to Tia Shardaret, California. I hope you have been doing amazing. It feels so good to be back home after a long vacation. Our trip was pure magic, from the deep blue vast ocean to the serenity of temple. The architecture was truly awesome and the experience was unforgettable. And ever since we got back, I have been craving for the Mexican food we enjoyed on our vacation. The best part, 3 generations in our family loved it. So today we are making a healthier version right here at home. Fresh, colorful, and so good you want to make it every week. Whether you go for juicy chicken or hearty bean fillings, these tortillas are bursting with flavor and packed with nutrition. If you love healthy recipes that still taste amazing, hit that subscribe button. And for those asking about my health coaching program, the link is below. Tonight we are making a chicken wrap for the meat lovers and a kidney beans and fajita veggie wrap for my vegetarian moms. Let's get cooking. Fajita base is the heart of any great Mexican dish. For my Indian viewers, think of this as our own version of vibrant vegetable masala, a delicious mix of freshly chopped onions, bell peppers, stir-fried with some simple spices. For the chicken version, I'm using chicken thigh, but you can use lean chicken breasts too. Now for the star of the show. To get that perfect browning and beautiful color, I am warming some oil in my trusty cast iron pan. It really works the best for fajitas. I am adding chicken that I marinated simply with salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, chili flakes, and a squeeze of lime juice. Listen to that sizzle. Look at that beautiful color. Once they are done, I will take them out for just a moment to rest. Now in the same flavorful pan, I am adding half of my onions and bell peppers to shallow fry. The other half I'll save for our delicious vegetarian fajitas later. I'm just adding a pinch of salt and red chili flakes here. When they are perfectly tender and caramelized, I will add the chicken back to the pan. This step is key. It allows the chicken to soak up all the beautiful flavors and juices from our fajita veggies. This is so simple to make at home, but it tastes so much better than takeout. I promise. Once you try this, you will never go back. You will get all the detailed marinade and recipe in the description below. Now, we are making the healthy, flavorful base for our vegetarian wraps, a Mexican bean sauce. You can enjoy this as a beautiful dip or a side dish. I soaked my kidney beans overnight and then pressure cooked them until they were perfectly soft. I even added a little salt while boiling, so they are already seasoned. Into the pan, I am adding a spoonful of cumin paste now, along with some chili powder, onion powder, and garlic powder. No need for extra salt here since we have already seasoned them. After letting this simmer for about 10 minutes to let all the spices marry together, I am using my hand blender to blend it. I don't want it to be completely smooth. I love having some texture from the beans still left in the sauce. This gives it a creamy, hearty consistency. It's so much more than the kidney bean curry or rajma we are used to making. This is something new, fresh, and a super healthy addition to any meal. Now for our moms who don't eat chicken, we are making a hearty veggie fajita with our kidney beans. I'm just tossing rest of our onions and bell peppers in the pan until they are tender. Next I added the boiled kidney beans and lightly mashing some of them with back of my spoon. This gives the stuffing a great texture, some whole beans and some creamy bites. I'm adding some garlic powder, cumin paste, freshly grounded black pepper, and for that authentic taste, a dash of Mexican chili lime powder. But if you don't have that, a pinch of chili powder and a fresh squeeze of lime juice at the end will work perfectly. And just like that, our vegetarian fajita is ready. Both of these fajita fillings are so versatile. You can even use them as a delicious and healthy stuffing for sandwiches. Since everybody loved the Mexican rice, I'm going to make that too. But I'm going to replace the rice with more healthier version. I'm using quinoa today, which is more protein rich. But you can use brown rice too. I have already soaked my quinoa and it's sprouted now, making it even more nutritious. Instead of normal boiling, we are going to cook it in this amazing flavorful base. I have blended fresh tomatoes with cumin paste, salt, chili powder and garlic powder. Our quinoa will cook right in this paste, soaking up all the flavor to become the perfect healthy Mexican rice. While our quinoa is cooking, I am making a super quick and fresh tomato salsa. I have finely chopped some tomatoes, added a little bit of Mexican chili or jalapeno, and I am mixing it all with just a pinch of salt and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. This is a vitamin C rich tomato salsa that's so fresh and vibrant. You could even call it a tomato salad. It's ready to go. How can any Mexican meal be complete without fresh guacamole? My mom really loved the fresh guacamole in San Diego. So here my husband Nilash is on a mission to recreate it. He is cutting open these perfectly ripe avocados to make a fresh batch. And just like that, our creamy guacamole is ready to go. You will find the full, simple recipe in the description below. So all our components are ready now. The chicken and veggie fajitas, the kidney bean sauce, the salsa, the guacamole, and our healthy quinoa rice. Now it's time to build our wraps. This will only take about 2 minutes. First, a healthy swap. Instead of a store-bought tortilla, I'm using a homemade whole wheat chapati. I'm adding the flavorful chicken fajitas. And then goes the delicious quinoa on the top of it. You can add the salsa and guacamole right inside, but I prefer to serve them on the side. Our homemade Mexican chicken fajita wrap is ready to go. I'm doing the same with our veggie fajita for our moms, but since the quinoa is a bit new to them, I'm going to serve it on the side. finished plate. A true mission accomplished. I'm so happy with how this turned out. Thanks to Nilash for making the guacamole and moms for making the chapatis. Whether you go for juicy chicken or hearty bean fillings, these tortillas are bursting with flavor and packed with nutrition. Now it's time for family dinner. A homemade Mexican meal right here in our Indian house. এটা salsa. Now tell me, isn't it super easy? Which one you are going to make first? The veggie one or the chicken one? I'm very curious. Tell me in the comment section so that we can inspire each other with healthy food ideas. And if you have not subscribed yet, this is the perfect moment. I am a certified health coach. My mission is to help you to create a healthier and happier life filled with positive energy, nourishing food, and supportive community. Every week I share practical and family-friendly recipes that you can truly enjoy, and I'd love to have you in our growing community because together we can make healthy living something joyful and sustainable. You will find all the details for my health coaching program in the description. I can't wait to cheer you on in your health journey.